Hello, my dear viewers. This is Deepak Jain, and today I am here in conversation with Homendra and Dev. So I am going to ask you certain questions. So be ready, be confident, and try your best to answer my questions. Okay? So now my question to you is, I want that you to speak or share your views on science. So Dev, speak on science.
Science.
Okay? Yes.
The science is in our country. Science is very good and it is progressing day by day. But somehow it has some side effects also. In one side it is good and second side it is bad also.
Okay.
That's one good is that's because of science we can talk to anyone because of mobile phone. The science invented motor car. Because of that we can go anywhere. No long ways, long now. It has been short.
Okay.
In ancient time we used to spend our most of time in traveling from one country to another country.
Yes.
But now we don't need to spend our most of the time in traveling.
Yes.
We can just start our car and just go. We can go.
Right.
There are a lot of facilities. And in terms of mobile phone, before in ancient time, we had to just write letter, then we have to post.
We had to post.
We
it.
had to post it.
Right.
It used to take a lot of time.
Hell lot of time.
Hell lot of time.
Right.
Yes. So when we posted, then after 2 or 3 days, it used to reach somewhere.
Yes.
Then that person reply. So it takes a hell lot of time.
Then the person used to reply.
You to reply, yes.
Right.
So it used to take a lot of time.
Right.
But because of mobile phone now it has been very easy. Just click on your mobile screen, then you can talk to anyone in anywhere of universe.
Not in anywhere. Anywhere.
Anywhere in universe.
Good.
So that's a mobile phone made our life easy. So and
Is it the only benefits that science has given us?
no, there are a lot of benefits
Okay.
because in medical science has given its biggest contribution.
Okay.
Very big contribution. For an ancient time we don't have the
Didn't have.
we didn't have
Yes.
and when many big machines like this and we didn't have the medicine properly.
Okay.
So that's why in science in medical science it has been big. So
Okay.
in ancient time we just dream to reach on moon. But
We used to dream.
we used to dream to reach on moon.
Okay.
But now it has been done.
Okay.
Because of science, just because of science, we fulfilled our dream.
Okay.
So the science also contributed in this dream also. That we can get the knowledge apart from our earth to any universe. We can get any type of knowledge.
Yes.
So in this it is also beneficial. The second side effect of it that the mobile phone and that there waves are there. So some waves are very wavelength is very high. So it harms us.
Okay.
That's why it is not good. It is also harms the many.
It is also.
It also harms
Yes.
birds and children.
Yes.
It affects the children's mind also.
Yes.
So that's why it is very harmful for us.
Yes.
By looking at the screen on mobile for a long time, so it also harms our eyes. So because of it is not good also. And because of motor car, many accident happens. Many accident take place.
Yes. Take place. Right.
So because of it is also not good.
Right.
So that was about science.
Now let Homendra speak on this. Yeah.
Yes. So science is a very good science according to me, and
Science is a very good thing.
science is a very good thing. We have been given many things by science.
Good.
Like you can see in ancient time, and we used to write on a slate. But yes, and science given a copy.
Science has given.
Science has given a copy.
Right.
You don't need to write on a slate. At that time, you can write on a copy. And in ancient time, very well, we used to write with a chalk. So science has given a pen. And if you go to any, if you want to your thought explain in a crowd,
If you want to
if you want to explain any speech
If you want to deliver any speech, right?
Yes, if you want to deliver any speech in crowd,
Yes.
you don't need to shouting. You can use
Not shouting, shout.
You can okay. You don't need to shout.
Right.
You can use a speaker like because speaker has been
Media.
given by science.
Media, next.
So a speaker has been given by science,
Right.
and like a mobile, mobile makes our work very easy. Yes, and in 1 minute, in second, you can connect everyone people who belong to a different country, who belongs to different part of India. And science given a laptop.
Science has given.
Sorry, sir. Science has given a laptop. Science has given a laptop, and you can save your any pic and memorable moment in laptop. And laptop makes our work very easy,
Easier.
and easier. And medical facility. Science has given a medical facility, and coronaviruses are going on. So only science can make a medicine of coronavirus. Otherwise, I don't think no one can make. Only science can make. So science makes a very a vehicle, tempo, bus, and bike, car, like that. Science has given a many facilities.
Science has given many facilities.
Science has given a many facilities.
Why are you using a?
Because
Why are you using a?
Okay,
A means एक.
yes sir.
So एक की जरूरत है यहाँ पे क्या? एक. Science has given many facilities.
Yes.
So why are you using a? एक. Many facilities. Are you not understanding what I am saying?
Yes, I am understanding.
Then use the sentence again.
Okay. So science has given a many facilities.
Not a many facilities.
Okay.
And that is incorrect.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Science has given a many facilities.
Are
You
you
can
again?
use. Oh, sorry, sir.
Don't make bad habit.
Okay, you can use. So it is my views.
Okay, yeah, Mr. Dev.
Yes, sir.
So,
Speak on media, please.
Media. Media is good also, as we know every coin has
Yeah,
two sides.
open your throat, please.
Okay, yes, sir, sure.
Hmm.
As we know every coin has two sides, positive and negative. So the positive side of that is media is good, because if any incident happens in all over the world and in India, we can get to know in just few seconds.
Okay.
We need to just open our Facebook and any WhatsApp, any type of social media, whatever we are using, just open that, we can get every type of news through the social media.
Okay.
And that we can get every type of news, and it helps also if someone is going on bad thing, some crime is going on, any wrong thing is going on, then you can just shoot the video and upload it on
Shoot the video.
you can just shoot the video and upload it on social media, in which you can get support of many people.
Okay.
Who will support you to fight against the crime.
Okay.
So that is good for that. And because of media, we can get every type of news. If someone is doing wrong, if any minister is doing wrong thing, if anything is going on politics, we can get on our TV, on mobile, we can get every type of news everywhere.
Okay.
If some updates are coming related
You will be
to,
speaking on television after him, yeah? Be ready.
if something is going on related to job and related to any type of job, that something happened, some vacancies are coming, some vacancy delayed, then we can get through the media,
Okay.
and we can say that the media is the voice of every people.
Okay.
Means every people's voice is media. If we want to say something to anyone, any biggest one, so we can say through the media. It has negative side also. If the government is in trending, so he can just media is, I think media is able to buy. So the ministers can buy the media, and the media just showing that this minister is good, he is doing good. But either he is doing or not, we don't know anything. So they are just making fool to public. So that's a media also not good.
So they are making the public fool.
Yes, they are making the public fool. So just we can't trust blindly on media.
Blindfoldedly.
Blindfoldedly on media.
Okay. That's
So
what
we
you
should
say.
be aware of that.
Okay,
That's
fine.
that was
Now, Mr. Homendra, I want you to speak on television.
Okay, sir. And television is the best source of news. Yes, you can take every news of television.
Of or on television?
On television. On television.
Hmm.
Like, but everything has a two. Everything has a two side.
Why do you use a in every sentence? Two is coming, two is plural, I is singular.
Okay.
So before using a, mind it.
Okay, yes. Everything has a two side. One bad side.
Why you
Two sides.
Don't you listen?
Oh, yes, sir. Everything has a two side.
Has a two side.
Have a two side.
है?
Everything has a two side.
आ टू ये आ क्या है तुम्हारा?
Two side.
हाँ ये आ क्या है?
Sorry, sir. Everything has a two side.
कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा ये? क्या बात है?
Sorry, sir.
आ क्यों निकल रहा है?
Everything has a two side.
अरे फंस गया है कि क्या ये गले में? कि मतलब निकल रही
Everything
है?
has two side.
हाँ ऐसे बोलो ना.
Sir.
दोबारा बोलो.
Everything has two side.
Two sides.
So two side. Everything has two sides. One bad side and one second good side. Okay, and when you watch TV, so there are many pictures and news is going on every time on TV. When you watch, so you can watch any news. You can watch any news on TV, and you can get knowledge. You can get knowledge every type of
knowledge.
Okay, you can, yes.
You can get
Every type of knowledge
knowledge.
on TV. On TV.
Mind your zain ja.
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 Yes.
Sir. You can take every type of knowledge on TV. Yes. And the children, when children watch TV, so there are many bad serials is going on TV.
Many bad serials.
Yes, many bad serials is going on TV.
Many bad serials.
Serials is many bad serials are going on TV.
Singular and plural. Mind it.
Yes, sir. Okay. So going on TV. So children is not allowed to. Children are not allowed to watch TV because they studied every time. They studied because many serials in this serials like children.
There are many serials.
There are many serials in this serials. I have seen because children are not studying.
Okay.
Because when you see anything, so we do like this. So that's why when children see things, so they don't.
These things.
They don't know. They don't do like they do like this. They do like this. So that's why, and it is a views on TV, sir.
So why you feeling shy?
Not feeling shy.
Then why you making this expression? Simply say that is it.
That is it.
Okay. Now you please share your views on TV. Yes, and speak loud, please.
Okay. As we know, every coin has two surfaces, good also, bad also. If I talk about TV, on TV, there are a lot of channels on TV. It depends on us that whatever we want to see. If we want to see any type of news, then we can watch every type of news. It comes on TV. If something is going on in politics, we can see it also. If something crime, any wrong thing happened near us and all over India, we can see that also on TV. And the second thing is that if someone is fond of music, then he can listen music. Because of music, the many person get a good platform. They showed their talent. So it is also good for them. There are many serials are coming. The ladies are fond of that. In homes there are
You should use a verb, fond of watching them.
yeah, fond of watching them.
Okay.
Then the ladies get bored at home. Then they can watch serials. It is also good for them. The children can watch cartoon whenever they fed up with study.
Whenever they
Fed
fed up
They are fed up of study.
with.
Study. Okay, so they can also see. It has its negative side also. Whenever
It has its.
negative side also. So some fake news also comes on TV. So we can't just justify that it is good or bad.
Okay.
We can't know at home that the media is showing good thing or not. Maybe his media has been sold by someone,
Okay.
some minister.
Hmm.
So that's why we can't trust on television blindfoldedly.
Blindfoldedly.
Something
Okay,
about
that is it. Fine. You people are trying your best to answer the questions. Okay, but just mind your grammatical errors. And Hemendra, don't use unnecessarily a
Okay, sir.
or a, because that plural countable noun is coming. So before the plural countable noun, don't use a, and don't make bad habits.
Okay, sir. I will try to
Slowly and gradually, if you work on these errors, then you will be better. Okay, so that was all in this video, and I'll be asking you many more questions. Yeah, but that is it in this video. Okay, fine.